Hi, I'm Kayla. I'm associated with the Wildlife Epidemiology Lab. The lab is located at the University of Illinois' Veterinary Medicine College, which is where I'm located right now, taking this video on this beautiful day. Wildlife Epidemiology Lab does a lot of wildlife population health surveys with reptiles and amphibians. One large project is called the Turtle Team, which we look at the health of eastern box turtles in Illinois. My goals for Turtle Team this summer are to effectively teach peers how to complete Turtle Team tasks, make sure that all data is properly recorded and preserved, and to have a truly fun summer, as this is my last summer going into my third year of veterinary school. Today I'll talk to you about our search technique, how we get our large sample size of eastern box turtles. We utilize canines. They capture a turtle in the turtle's home range and carry the turtle to their owner/trainer, John Rucker. By sniffing the forest floor, the dog can pick up the scent from the turtle after it moves. If a turtle has not moved around in a while, the dog is less likely to find that individual turtle. Every hour, a team of 3 to 4 dogs capture around 7 turtles, whereas a team of humans capture about 1 turtle per hour. These dogs are an amazing tool for wildlife conservation efforts and should seriously be considered. The following are questions we have addressed when evaluating this search technique. One of the questions that we had was, what is the weather like when dogs catch more turtles? We found that turtles are more likely to move between 0 to 12 hours after rainfall, so right after it rains is when we've been finding more turtles with the canine search team. Another question was if there were any biases when using the dogs in comparison to human search teams, like do the dogs catch larger turtles than humans, vice versa. We found that there was not a demographic or health status difference between the turtles caught by dogs versus the turtles caught by humans. What type of environment are dogs finding these turtles in comparison to humans? We found that dogs found more turtles under logs, in log jams, in brambles, and on soil, whereas the humans found more turtles on the roads. Lastly, can the dogs transmit box turtle pathogens? Each dog can catch more than 1 turtle in a day. Some of these turtles have diseases that we would not want to pass on to the next turtle that we capture. Last summer, I was involved with determining if these pathogens or diseases can be transmitted by the dogs through our search technique. I collected oral swab samples from the dogs' mouths after each turtle that they captured. Even though this was the case, there were no detectable pathogens on any of the dog oral swab samples. The pathogens that some of the turtles had were herpes virus, mycoplasma, and adenovirus. With all of this in mind, it is important to critically evaluate any search technique used for capturing a target species like the eastern box turtle. Utilizing canines can increase sample sizes and drastically improve the representation of a wildlife population. There was no evidence of bias when compared to human visual searches, and there was no evidence of transmission of several turtle pathogens. Canines can play a vital role in conservation efforts of free-ranging turtle populations, thus benefiting the ecosystems in which they search.